HighLevel has now recently introduced browser control in its Ask AI feature, which basically means that when you install this particular extension inside your Chrome browser, you will be able to, control the entire browser on your screen with the feature of Ask AI because what exactly it did will shock you. I just recently asked it to create a content on social media, and guess what? It already created a content and published it on my social media profile without me having to do literally anything. And not just that, it also started getting likes on social media by people who are noticing it online and they think that probably I did it, but it's actually the Ask AI feature with its browser control. That's exactly what we are going to discover today. I'm also going to share with you this exclusive Ask AI sheet where it helps you understand exactly what are the facilities that you can do for your business so that you can grow it exponentially without you having to manually do it. Okay, so what exactly we're going to do is we're going to open the Ask AI feature of HighLevel. You go into sub account, click on the Ask AI button, and this is exactly where everything happens. The first thing you have to do is you need to install the Chrome extension. The link of the Chrome extension should be in the description box. So once you add it to your Chrome, right, it's going to show up here, right here, and you will be able to see an icon which says Lead Connector Ask AI. When you click on that, it will show up here, and the status should show as connected, right? So once that is done, you go back to your Ask AI, and for example, here I want this to search the Google and share with me the best information possible on web development and how the AI is able to create good quality front end tools for web development. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Open Google and make sure you search the best possible article on creating AI generated premium website on the front end and how this is helping businesses exponentially to grow their business online. Then open LinkedIn and then post this particular post to get the maximum number of likes, shares, and comments. So go ahead and get this entire process done with browser control feature of Ask AI HighLevel. So once that's done, I'm just going to enter that. And guess what? It's already getting started to work on it. So as you can see on the left hand side, it starts generating. And now here on the right hand side, it started thinking. You see it initiated something called as browser control. Now this is the exact feature that we are looking for in order to ensure that it gets the access of my browser and then does everything on its own without me have to literally anything. And on as you can see on the top section here, it already opened this particular browser. It says lead connector ask AI started debugging this browser, and this is exactly when it's going to do its job. It opened the first, website link that it received. Probably it's going to search that, and if it likes, then it's going to create a post on this particular topic. So let's see what exactly it does. Right. In the meanwhile, we are going to go back to our Ask AI feature and see what exactly it's doing. So it's crafting a LinkedIn post because I think it's already liked what it saw. The article is loaded. It has a lot of content from the article. Let me now read. It actually has enough content here, right? So this it's already read this and now it's creating a social media post for me. And this is amazing. It's also taking screenshot while doing this entire process. And I really like this. As you can see, it's taking screenshots of everything literally and opening. So it's now has opened LinkedIn, and guess what it's going to do? It's going to create me a social media post live on LinkedIn here, which I'm really liking. Let me open that again. Perfect. It's not crafting the entire post that it needs to write. So as you can see, it says here the complete LinkedIn post I have crafted, right? This is the entire post. It shows everything, the post to LinkedIn, AI website article. It has all the content, the post length, the platform, right? And then I'm going to directly post this on LinkedIn without things have to be scheduled. So this looks really nice. So approve the post here, it says, and I'll immediately paste it on LinkedIn, hit post for you. Amazing. So I'm just going to click on yes, post it on LinkedIn. And once this is approved, it's going to do its job on the LinkedIn profile. So let's wait and see it exactly what it does and how exactly it's able to do so. But this is the future of how AI is going to do all the tasks for you to reduce all the kind of manual tasks that you have been thinking. As you can see, it just opened it. I'm not doing anything literally. My hands are out, right? It is already searching it, already clicked on the post option, And then it is probably going to now add all the content and then post on behalf of me. So just wait exactly what it does. Let me quickly go back and see. Okay, green feed is live, clicking start post now. The post dialog is loading, waiting for it to fully appear. And then it's probably going to add everything here, right? The post editor is open, ready. Post to anyone is set. So now it's going to add all the content. And as you can see, it just clicked on the entire post section and selected to post to anyone. Now, this is exactly when it's going to add the entire content that it has already created for me by searching the internet on Google. Right. All right, it's selecting it. And guess what? It is already adding the text here. So this will change how you think about websites forever. And then it's adding the content. You see, it's adding it live in front of us, and it's adding them, with all the emojis, the text, the spacing, everything is so good, right? So just wait for it to write this entire post, which is quite a few words, right? And as you can see, it's now writing everything literally. Let me please check back to what exactly it's doing. Growing well. So it can also understand that how much it has written, continuing with closing paragraphs and CTAs, which is really nice. Perfect. It's also added the CTA here, right? That's really nice. Now, it's also going to do is it probably is going to post here. Okay, it's not done yet. It's also added the hashtags. So that's really nice. And then what's going to do is going to now click on post to post this live. Awesome. Just posted it. And guess what? You can see the post is live, and here you go. It's available on my social media post. Let me quickly go to the profile here and show it to you. If I scroll down to my social media post, you'll be able to see that it is posting here literally, right? Crazy good of how much AI is able to do all of this, and people are already started liking my post that I didn't create. Like this one was not created by me. It's actually created by AI, and it's high levels Ask AI feature, just amazing. So that's the reason why I recently created this entire sheet, and this sheet actually basically gives you the entire idea of what are the things that you could do, the application of lead search and enrichment, personalized cold outreach, website and fund assurance, computer research, local business prospecting, Google business profile management. By the way, if you want all of these resources, go to our community, which is the High Level Lab. Just type the High Level Lab. Once you type the High Level Lab, you will be able to get access to this. Just click on yes, I want instant access. And then you need to go to Classroom, and here you'll have the resource available for you to click and download. The link should be in the description box. And let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them as well. But High Level is doing an amazing job, and I believe that we are going to really scale this up forward. Thanks so much for watching the video.